So One Trader Gang, good morning. We are live trading this morning. So we got about 8 minutes till market opens. So let's bring up the charts. Let me do a quick sound check really quick. All right, looks like we're good. So let's bring up the charts. All right, so gold is definitely bullish. So we definitely have our trend here. So I think we're gonna make a new all-time high here. So I wish we would have gotten in down here, but we'll just be patient. We'll wait till market open. So we don't want to get FOMO or anything like that. So but we'll mark up our areas here. We got our London high. Then we got our London low all the way down here. All right. So we'll see if we end up getting a reversal. So we got about 5 minutes till market opens. So we're just gonna chill. So for any of y'all that are on, throw some love in the chat. So hopefully we can make a new all-time high because of everything that's going on right now. I feel like gold is going to go super bullish because of the shutdown. So like gold is a safe haven. So yeah, if we look at the U.S. dollar, so the U.S. dollar has been kind of ranging down, which is going to push gold up. But if the dollar keeps pushing up, it's going to push gold down. So we need gold to we need the U.S. dollar to drop so gold goes up. So if not, then gold's going to go down. So if the dollar goes up, gold's going to go down. If the dollar goes down, gold goes up. So we'll see what happens here. So you look at US 30 really quick. So US 30 is kind of ranging right now. So I'm just going to mark up some key areas here or stretch them out. So we have an area right here. So it did push all the way up to 46,530. So we'll see if it might try to retest it. So we'll see what US 30 tries to do. But our focus is on gold here. So we're really close to making a new all-time high. So this is the new all-time high that I set. This is a key level, 38.95, 500. So I think it could push to it, push past it. So we're just looking for a confirmation. So because we don't want market open to happen and then it just falls. All right, market open. Yeah, we got a rejection right here. What's the dollar gonna do? I mean, yeah, the dollar. So the dollar keeps pushing up. It's gonna push gold down. So it looks like price is gonna push up. I'm gonna take a buy, guys. See if we have enough volume to push up, not down. 38.94. So we'll see if we can stomach it. So see if we have enough volume to push to the upside and create a new all-time high. Hold on, okay. Okay. Yeah, stopped out. So price doesn't want to continue to push. So price is continuing to push up on the dollar. So this is the last trade right here. So we got a nice bearish confirmation, obviously. So taking a short. I'm going to push down to here, at least 1 to 2. So 38.88 we got in at. 39. All right, we'll see where price can go. See if we can push all the way down here. Let's see if we can come all the way down here. Yeah, because the dollar is pushing up, so it's going to push gold down. All right, we'll see how much it pushes down. So it did create a new all-time high, but now it's having a retracement. So I added this volume indicator here because this is what I like to see when volume comes in. So we could see there's a lot of sellers in the market right now. I think we have a nice amount of volume to the downside. So I'm also watching the dollar. The dollar is going up right now, which is going to push gold down. So this is the last trade of the day. We only take 2 trades. Whatever the outcome is on this, that's what it is. So I'm gonna add one more position. So if we come down to at least right here, this will be a nice almost 1 to 3. So yeah, be a nice 1 to 3. Even if it comes all the way down to a London low, that would be a nice 1 to 4. But we'll see where price wants to go. So the dollar's pushing up heavy right now. So price might push up a little bit here on gold and then continue down. So I already got my stop loss in place. So my first trade, of course, I thought we were really bullish. I thought we were going to continue that way. We tapped into a new all-time high and then rejected off of it. So we're just following the trend now. So we can go on a higher time frame here. You can see we kind of have equal highs right here. I think price can at least push down to here. So maybe even here to London low. But we'll see. We'll see how much volume is really in the market to push down. I mean, if we come all the way down to this previous all-time high, that would be kind of crazy. So we'll see. I mean, this is a nice bearish engulfing candle. So we basically just engulfed all these previous candles right here. So I think we have some nice movement to the downside. That's a nice, solid bullish. Yeah, or bearish engulfing candle. So lots of volume right now. Lots of bearish volume. So we're up $9 right now. I'm gonna let Instagram know. All right, Trader Gang. We're already on our second trade right now. First trade, I thought it was going to be bullish because we just tapped it to a new all-time high. Price reversed, so there's a lot of sellers in the market right now. So we are on our second trade right now. So you can see right here, that was our first trade. This is our second trade. So we're in profit right now. We are up about $8 right now, almost $9. So I think there's a lot of bearish movement. So I'm just going to trail it and see how far we can push it, and then we'll see how we end the day. This is the last trade, so only 2 trades per day. We need we need a nice aggressive push to the downside. Yeah, the dollar is really pushing up. So we're going to see if we can push beyond this demand zone right here. So price might try to come up and retest my entry. So we do have some buyers in the market now. So let's see if we can continue to push down. Yeah, so I still think we got a lot of sellers in the market. I think we're just making a lower low. So we pulled down, we pulled up, pulled down. There we go. We got a nice push to the downside. Yeah, we got some nice starting volume in there. So I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even. So stop loss is at break even. There we go. We got a nice push to the downside. See how much of this move we can get. So the dollar is pushing up heavy. So if we look at the dollar, so look at that price is pushing up super heavy. So that's gonna push the dollar down like crazy. I mean, it's gonna push gold down like crazy. We're getting close to TP. I mean, price could come all the way down to London low. I'm gonna I have two positions open. I'm gonna close one of them. We'll secure some profit, and then I'll let the rest run here. So I have my stops at break even. So the dollar is super bullish right now. Yeah, if you look here, guys, we have a lot of sellers in the market right now. So we could even push down to this London low here. So price is pulling up a little bit. So I have my stops at break even, so that's okay. So I'm gonna close this out. So or I'll wait a little bit actually. Because I think price is just making it's just having a little pullback again to make another lower low. So the dollar had a little bit of a pullback also. I think we're going to continue to push down. It's making a pattern. It's literally coming up, pulling down, coming up a little bit, pulling down. So let's see on the higher time frame here. So we had a little bit of a pullback here. Still have a lot. This is a very bearish candle. So I definitely think we can push. I think we can fill this right here. Come all the way down to here and fill this. So if we continue to push down. We'll see what happens when 7 o'clock comes around. Because sometimes that can either push it further down or it creates a reversal. So we just got more volume, more sellers in the market here. So if price breaks above, the price breaks above here, I'll get out because it's going to. I think it's going to reverse. But we need a nice push to the downside. Yeah, I think I'm going to close it right here, guys. All right, I closed my trade. So we're done. So we got almost a 1 to 2. So not too bad. So I closed my trade. We got the account back up to $124. So not too bad. We were down to $110 yesterday, so we made back our loss from yesterday, plus some. So we're only because we got the account up to 125, so we're like $1 short of that. So not bad. 124.14, 2 trades. We're done for the day. We could have held it probably and probably got more out of it, but I just didn't like the way price was going. So price could end up pulling back up. So we'll take our profit. So we can see here we profited. So I had 2 positions I told you guys about. So we took a first loss of $4.59, and then we took a profit of $12 and then $6. So we profited almost $14. So not bad. So we'll take that as a win, and we're done for the day. So all before 7 o'clock. So 30 minutes in the market, and we're done. So look, we can see right here, price is starting to pull back. So that's it, guys. So kind of a short stream, but we got our profit that we wanted, and we're done for the day. So that's it. So I appreciate you guys popping on. Like, comment, and subscribe, please. And tomorrow's another day. This is day 3 of our $100 live account. So we got the account back up to $124. We still have tomorrow, and we'll see what tomorrow holds. So appreciate you guys. Stay blessed, love and peace, and see y'all tomorrow morning.